solve 3t plus 7 equals 2t minus 5. For this particular example, since we have t's on both sides and we have constants on both sides, we'll start by collecting the constants on the same side, and that means I'm going to add a negative 7 to both sides. Remember, adding a negative 7 is the same as subtracting a positive 7, and that's the way that I've written it. So on the right-hand side, we also want to add a negative 7. Simplifying, on the left-hand side, we have 3t because, of course, these sum to 0. On the right-hand side, we have 2t. Negative 5 minus 7 is the same as negative 5 plus a negative 7, so we have plus a negative 12. Next, we would add a negative 2t to both sides. And so we have 3t plus a negative 2t, and on the right-hand side, we have 2t, and then I'm going to put it right here, adding a negative 2t, and then we still have adding the negative 12 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we subtract the coefficients. 3 minus 2 is 1, so we have 1t, which I just write as t. On the right-hand side, these sum to 0, which is what we would expect, and so we have negative 12. And therefore, the solution is negative 12.